This is a summary for lesson 7.6.13. This says we use inequalities to describe a range of numbers. In many places, you are allowed to get a driver's license when you are at least 16 years old. When checking if someone is old enough to get a license, we want to know if their age is at least 16. If age is the age of a person, then we can check if they are allowed to get a driver's license by checking if their age makes the inequality age is greater than 16, they're older than 16, or the equation h equals 16, they are 16, true. The symbol with the greater than sign and the equal sign, which is pronounced greater than or equal to, combines these two cases, and we can just check if h is greater than or equal to 16, their age is greater than or equal to 16. Then the inequality h is greater than or equal to 16 can be represented on a number line. It looks like this. We have a closed circle above the 16, and then we see numbers that are a little over greater than 16 all the way to the right, which means numbers that are greater than or equal to 16. Inequalities describe sets of numbers. When we're talking about at least, if someone is at least 16, we are talking about a person being greater than 16. We are talking also about if someone is 16. So greater than 16 or someone is 16. This symbol here represents this idea. And the way that we say it in English is we say greater than or equal to. So those are the big ideas from today's activity. After reading this explanation or watching this video and thinking about the learning targets for today, do you think that you are meeting the learning targets? Why or why not? Today's learning targets, if you remember from the beginning of this activity, I can explain what these symbols mean. I can represent an inequality on a number line. I understand what it means for a number to make an inequality true. Are you meeting the learning targets for lesson 7.6.13? Go ahead and write down whether or not you feel like you are meeting them and why or why not in this space right here.